Did you lose him? Did you lose him, Bear? Oh yeah, definitely. Kill him. Yeah, it's Bear. He won't retrieve it, so do you want me to get Gertie on there, or does he have a dog to retrieve? Okay. Good girl. The wind's coming from the north, so I'm sure he's just winning it and following it. Yep. I'm wondering if it was that same one they were all on over here, because he followed it out there. Am I going up and over here, or am I going this way? Okay. Oh, is it right over here? Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Good girl. Good job, Gertie. Good girl. They still working it hard? Awesome. Yeah, dude, that's what he said. I was like, what? You see him flying out down the end there? There's two that flew out, like, bottom of that terrace. Oh, okay. We can put Gertie on it, too. Well, if his dogs will get it, that's... Bear won't fucking he'll pick it up and hide it, bastard. Who did, Bear? You think it's the dead one? Good point, Bear! They're fighting over it, Steve. Gertie, fetch! Here! Gertie, here! Fetch! Gertie, here! Come on! That's Maggie's got it. Nice shot, Steve. You are welcome. Well, you saw his solid. That's how he is when there's a fucking bird. Head. How did that one sit for that long right next to you? Head. Should I come down or you want me to stay up? Kane's still pointing, dude. Yep. Gertie, dead bird, fetch. Dead bird, fetch. Where's your dog? Oh, she's right here. It could be that. Bear's on point right there, too. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop. And good girl, Maggie. No bird, Gertie. Gertie, dead bird, fetch. Dead bird, dead bird, dead bird, search. Dead bird, dead bird, zook, zook, zook it, zook it. I thought it was further up, no? Dude, I'm a terrible marker, so I'm gonna trust you two. Well, let's just stay in here and let them work it out. She points hard, man. She was piking.
Oh yeah.
It was beautiful.
Yeah, she hits hard and will not break. Kane, back! Dead bird, dead bird, dead bird, dead bird. Kane, dead bird. It was this pairs, right? It's not the next one.
I didn't think we were too...
No, because it was in the bottom.
But we were in front of that platform and it flew that way. I don't know.
I think it was at the end.
You think it was here?
I almost think it was like the end of that next.
How many we got? One left?
One if we find this dead one.
If we find the dead one. Well, Bear thinks there's one there. No?
Yeah, it's here. It is right here? Right here. Bear's down.
She's there. These two are on something here too. Oh, okay. God damn! What the fuck? You're a marking machine. Are you sure that one didn't drop out of your bag? Here, put it in mine.
Did you just happen to look over?
I had,
I was standing there on my phone, I'm like, it was right here, and I go, oh, there it was.
did you? How many are you supposed to have back here?
3, I think.
You got 3. You didn't drop one. And I got 2, and you got.
3.
We got one more. God damn, nice fucking work, dude. You're a bird dog.
No, it was right here. I looked, and I'm like, oh, there it is.
That's hilarious.
Alright, well, do we want to take this terrace, Jason on the top side, me in the middle? I mean, should we just walk this terrace? Walk to the trucks and probably get one? Yeah, we just walk. I think we can all 3 just pile in right here. Okay. There will be a bird in here.
Is he pointing, Kane?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Sure does.
Go get it. I want you to get it.
I've gotten at least one.
You get in the middle, Jason.
I really don't care. This is fucking awesome. This is rad.
I'll go up below that terrace. Stay right in the middle.
All right. Bear thinks there's one over there.